How to make iPhone camera look like film. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, swipe right and go to the cinematic mode above the capture button. After that, tap and hold on the desired subject within the camera viewfinder until an AE/AF lock indicator appears above the frame. This locks the focus and exposure on that subject, even if you recompose the shot or the subject moves. Then, tap and hold the capture button to take a video. And then, tap on the video you just took at the bottom left corner. As you can see, you have successfully made a cinematic video. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone camera look like film. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.